You've ordered a drum exchange from Essex Silverline, 1-800-451-5560. The drums come, it's time to change the drum. First thing you're going to do is remove the belt cover, unscrew the pulley, and knock the belt cover off, exposing the belts. You're going to need to remove the drum belt. To remove the drum, you need to take off the end caps of the chassis. 1/4-inch wrench, which is the SL8 105. Get in there and remove the 4 socket heads. The drum comes complete with the pulleys, boots, and bearings, ready to go on your machine. And because we cut this on a lathe, we know the drum is 5.5 inches in diameter, as it's supposed to be. Drum comes off, put it off to the side. The drum you receive is going to have a call tag attached to it. Remove the cellophane. Put the tag with the old drum. Put the new one in. The bearing boot sits flush in the chassis. The caps sit on top of it, and you reinstall it. And you're ready to install the belt. Once the drum's on, you need to reinstall the belt. Put the belt on the top pulley, start on the bottom pulley, roll the machine forward with the drum on the ground, and it'll pop in place.